And then this holds 20 liters of oxygen. Look in here, because you see all these the 5 look the same, and then this one looks different. So you plug this up to the one that looks different.
Pressurize itself again. So you shake it, it's gonna be the same pressure. It's gonna be the same pressure for the same patient.
Yes. So we have stop right there. Lower. All right. Rack. All right, and I'm just gonna have you hold on to that. Thank you.
Lower. Good. Thank you so much. And you're good to go.
Keep holding on to that side for me.
I got it. And it's lower. Lower. Good. I got it.